You should have heard the sound out there, man. And it. I was like,
We got front row. Hey, nothing.
no, dude, me neither. Dude, you guys can jam with us anytime. No lie, man. Dude, no lie. Dude. And those are all originals. Yeah, we're gonna get to the originals. It's not Honey's a good one. Yeah.
You know what you could show with this lab? No.
That's okay, man. I have never seen it.
Just,
yeah, bro. Bro, you said. That was epic. It sounds so. That's live, man.
You're right.
Yes, exactly.
So I don't know what you did.
Yeah. I practiced.
Hey, this bum was coming.
Yeah, fuck you guys. That was pretty good. That was really good.
Yeah, that's on film. That's on film. Don't you
No, sorry.
Did you do it? What are you filming that? Yeah, you know what?
Yeah.
Right there's good. See you, Mr.
Awesome party, man.
Yeah.
Right on.
Oh, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Oh yeah, birthday girl. How many bucks do we have to do for you? How much?
I'm glad. Yep. No, yeah.
Now there's two bands.
Yeah. Everything's there.
Can I get a screw in here?
Yeah.
Good.
Not for that 10 years. No, I think it's nice. I'm due for an upgrade. I got my question. Yeah.
They only had time during the youth though.
They sell up like that because
They don't make more.
dude, after I said something, that's all I wanted to bring all the sneakers, guys. And then all I did was turn, I took those, sent them off to the left, and you hear an attitude. No.
Lady, how does it sound out there?
It sounds awesome. Perfect.
Enough to piss off me. Yeah, absolutely.
I'm glad you guys came up. That was sick.
Yeah, we It did start at 5. It's way past 5. It's way past 5. Good grief. Way past 5.
Dude, that was so awesome. So fucking awesome. I enjoyed it every freaking day.
Got to get a picture of the VIP lounge.
Oh yeah.
I was supposed to be
So-
VIP, but I got kicked out.
You guys got it. You can't even make this shit up, man.
Nope.
So,
Yeah, that's a good description.
No way.
Hell yeah.
Right on. Love it.
so he was doing Rocktember. Motley Crue was playing Rocktember. So he introduced Motley Crue. And I said, man, you should do mine.
Yeah.
10 seconds later,
Awesome. That's
Yeah.
great.
That's super. I saw that today.
you can't even make that up.
Yeah,
Nice.
that's right on.
He's standing by this big
It's
military
army,
vehicle
yeah.
going,
Military
"I'm
vehicle.
gonna- you fuck around, I'm gonna take this.
I'm gonna take this thing, man. I thought you were taking that picture.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Billy.
Are you done?
It's very tired and
That was
scrappy
very,
tomorrow.
very
Oh,
important.
it's gonna be very good.
Yo!
Oh, that's me.
Like you just
Wasn't sure if you were gonna make it.
Yeah.
I would have had the.
Yeah, she would have stopped talking.
For a few days.
You'll be around for a couple days or not?
I'm gonna head home tomorrow.
Well, I have a doctor's appointment.
Yeah, you're all gonna plug in.
Where do you live? There's no doctor.
Yeah,
Dr. Khan. I don't know who that is. Sounds like a Chinese.
no.
So fun. That was sick.
That's how we spell it. K-A-H-A-N.
I saw that.
How you old not? I'm good. I had a little boot camp moment there, and that was it. I didn't ask you to do anything.
Wow, that's pretty good.
I told him, I said, you know what, we gotta put him on that side, because that's where he stood. Remember, he stood there. And, yeah.
Well, that's good.
Look, he does it.
No.
The Canadian guy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Russell Peters.
Yeah.
Russell Peters.
Yeah.
Peters, yeah.
Yes.
Sort of like a Russell Peters.
Yeah, he's super nice.
That was Russell Peters?
No, that's Dr. Khan. That's Dr. Khan. His wife is
I can grab that there, people. Yeah.
She's a tiny little thing too, like small. It was so funny. We were at casino, and we were seeing South Jordan.
Yeah, that's 80s.
I love it. South Jordan was sitting behind us at Altos.
Oh,
and
I'm
Kim
down.
Bell was sitting over there, and I said to Brad, I said, I'm going to go talk to Kim until he's like, no, you're not. And I'm like, I definitely could. Yes, I am. So I waited till other people talked to him because and he didn't seem perturbed or anything. So I went up and I'm like, oh, this is so cool. So like, oh my God, you're a Canadian icon. I love your music. The last time I saw you, you had like hair, and I was like, oh,
Did you say
fuck, that came out of my mouth. Yeah.
No filter.
I don't want to be mean, that's a dick move.
I know.
Dick move.
Oh, I know. I saw you at the Playhouse Theater, and you had it.
And how did you, what did you say?
And he was like, oh, you don't want to sit beside me very long, do you? And I was like, no, I'm sorry. I said, shit always comes out of my mouth. mouth,
No.
comes out of my mouth before my brain engages. And it's like, no, that's cool, that's all right. And I said, I just wanted to say, like, I've been listening to you for so many years, and like, you make Canada proud.
I can tell you right now, this is right down
I know, that's
almost
what
to his bum.
I know, that's what
And
And then by the time I turned around to go talk to Sash, he was already gone. It was like,
you didn't even have a backup person to walk with. Because that would have been, I would have been. You know what I'm sorry, I'm just gonna walk away, and then your person's gone.
but it was so funny, like we were talking, and it was like, it was so down to earth, and he was like, got it. And then he's like, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna let you get back to your stuff, and he's like, okay, he's like, you don't want me to sign anything? And I said, no. I said, I have this is my dream.
Yeah, yeah.
I said, I don't need your signature to prove, you know.
Probably gonna take it. I call it the spank bank.
Yeah, it's like it's all
Yeah,
weird.
it's all there. Absolutely. So cool.
Put it right in that cooler behind
So
you.
cool seeing like talking to him and
So I might not be able to answer you.
I'll give you my Christmas second thing, which is hilarious because so I'm a huge fan. So I got someone gave me a meet and greet.
Oh yeah.
And person in line, and all of a sudden,
I was gonna say, I don't think it's
Yeah.
You know what, honestly,
and you guys says you gotta leave because it's canceled. I'm here.
Yeah.
Ellie, tweezers, you want to get me some waterproof patches?
Oh shit.
Go upstairs.
Tell her she bit too hard.
Oh my goodness. So anyway, China here, I'll be right back.
Have you ever rounded up?
Isn't it right beside the mic mixing board there?
Never you.
There with the family, wife, kids, and I'm
A
not
little bad of sulfuric acid.
Yeah.
And biohazard stickers. So I can bring it to work.
anyways.
Then you were able to.
Yeah, it was like I said
Remember that time?
well, I had 11. They were the headlines.
Once they stopped, I hit it with the hand.
What do you mean?
Sulfuric acid came
And he goes, no, I got a gig tomorrow at 5, and I got to travel 8 hours. We're just gonna, once they hear us.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, everyone goes through. I disappeared.
Yeah.
None of my friends know where I am.
Oh, yep.
He goes, well, it's such a great and blah blah. What do you want? I said, nothing. Well, how about a couple of yeah, it's very much fun.
Nice.
So, campsite. They go, where you been? So I was just hanging out with and he goes, you're lying. I'm like, so where did I fucking get this? Yeah. You see where I'm going? Like,
Hey, yeah.
that's crazy. Why is it so quiet? What's going on?
Don't worry, I'll keep them over there. That's okay, I'll keep them over here. I can see where
No.
they're at.
sister's birthday and my
Where's the merch table, guys?
Your mom's birthday. That was my sister's birthday.
No, we're serious.
Nick.
Where is it?
Let me know when you're ready to go so I can push the button.
Oh, good.
Or I guess both buttons. I don't know.
I'm handsome. I'm glad you did that.
They are called Chekerd Past. Yeah. So like checkered, but they spell it differently. They used to be called Nick Ham and the High Guys. That was when my dad was here. They're all from Kenora. I can't import fans. I keep it Kenora. Although I did. Well, Nick Ham is the lead singer right in front, right there. That's him. And the brother is
The drummer.
the drummer,
Remember
but you
that
can't see
time,
him.
like,
because he's-
And this is the mother.
Oh, that's the mother.
She's stuck with
Hey, you know what I did? Let's go get a picture of my mom. Let's go. Come on. Get in here.
The birthday girl.
I got the three. I got the three. It has ghost face on it. Okay, with a little ghost face. It'd be something that you get like McDonald's.
You know what?
Yeah, that's where we're going. We're going to monkey skit.
How are you? Doing good, bud. Doing good. How are you?
Go in.
September 7th.
You have to hear the whole story. Remember when they took the picture out before the
How long is he? Hey, Bill.
Yeah, cool your jets.